I want to be able to tweak a couple of things in a chart. Now, we're not looking at resizing or formatting. That's later on, but just some basic couple of little add-ons that we might want to do after we create a chart, like right off the bat. So here I have new information. I'm going to create a chart out of this. We'll go here. I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to go over here to Charts and Recommended Charts. Now you might be saying, wait, Scott, you forgot Q4. No, I did not forget Q4. I will explain that in just a second. So let me click on Recommended Charts and we'll pull this one. We'll just use the first one. And here we have a chart. If you don't know how I did that, go back to the last video, but we've made a chart. Now, let's say that I do need to add more information. I don't have Q4 in this chart. It's not represented here. So I want to add Q4 to this chart. See, I have Q1, Q2, and Q3. I need to add Q4. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I've clicked on the chart. You need to click on the chart. So click on the chart. I'm going to go to my chart tools, design, and I'm looking for the data ribbon, which is over here. And I'm going to click on select data. This tells me what I currently have in this chart. I need to add something though. I don't have everything I need. So I'm going to add something. I'm going to click add and it goes, what's the name? Now I could type the name in here, Q4, or I could make life easy on myself and just click on the cell with the information in it, which is what I'm going to do. Then it wants to know where the series is. What column of information, what information do you want to include in this new add-on to your chart? So I'm going to click on this, delete it, and then I'm going to select the information that I want. Once I have it, by the way, I don't know if you noticed it, but I haven't even clicked OK yet. And already Excel is showing Q4 being added. I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to click OK. And now I've added that additional column, that additional amount of information to the chart. So once again, you're going to look over here in your data area and you're going to use the select data to add additional information to your chart. The other thing that you might want to do is switch your rows with your columns and switch your columns with your rows. What I'm going to do is let's make sure we click on the chart again. We go to Chart Tools, Design, and we were here a second ago, right? The select data. Well, next to it is the switch row and column option. I'm going to click that. And hey, look at there. It changed it. Click it again. And so this allows us to switch our rows and columns. It's just that easy. It's a little click of a button. Good chance when you take the MOS exam or the MOS exam, I always keep calling it a mouse because it's old school, the MOS exam, that you're going to have to do that. It's just a little mouse click and you're good to go.